Here I've got Oppo A5 2020, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So you have two methods to do it. Let's start with the quicker one. Smoothly slide down the upper bar and locate airplane mode icon. This is the one, click on it, and that's it. From now on your device is in flight mode and all the connections, all the networks are deactivated. Then if you'd like to go back to the normal mode, click on airplane mode one more time. And now let's go to the second method. You just have to open the settings. And now at the top of the list you will notice airplane mode. Click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Now it's active. You can notice the plane mode icon right next to the hour, and then you can switch off this mode smoothly the same way by tapping on this switcher. And now it's off. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate flight mode in your Oppo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.